Welcome! Today, we're taking a look at SceneOrbit AI and seeing how it can turn a simple idea into a beautiful video. Stay with me to see the final result.
Welcome to my deep dive into SceneOrbit AI, an all-in-one creative platform designed for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create images, videos, audio, and marketing content from a single dashboard. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way creators work. SceneOrbit combines image generation, video creation, audio tools, and marketing features into one professional platform, making it easier to create content without switching between multiple apps. The biggest advantage of SceneOrbit is its unified workflow. From generating images to editing videos and creating marketing assets, everything stays connected inside the same creative environment, which can save creators a lot of time.
Stay with me till the end to see how SceneOrbit turned a simple script into this beautiful cinematic video.
Once you enter SceneOrbit, the layout feels clean and easy to navigate. The left sidebar gives quick access to image, video, audio, marketing, and video studio, making it simple to move between creative tasks without switching to different applications. This is where SceneOrbit starts to feel like a complete creative ecosystem. Instead of focusing on a single tool, it brings together visuals, motion, media assets, and production workflows in a way that supports creators from the first idea all the way to the final piece of content.
What makes SceneOrbit useful for creators is that it combines multiple creative tasks in one place. Whether you are working on images, short videos, audio content, or marketing assets,
the workflow stays connected and easy to manage from a single platform. The Video Studio section is designed for creators who want a smoother editing workflow. It provides a structured environment for arranging clips, managing audio, and preparing videos for publishing, while keeping the creative process organized and efficient.
If you'd like to try SceneOrbit for yourself, you can find the link in the description below. My creator code all-in-one30 is also included there if you want to check whether it gives you a discount when signing up.
Next, I'm testing SceneOrbit's built-in image generation tool by creating a cinematic product-style visual. This gives a better idea of how the platform handles prompts, composition, lighting, and overall image quality in a real workflow. With a quick prompt for a luxury perfume bottle, SceneOrbit analyzes the intent to prepare a photorealistic render. The result is stunning. Clinical detail, professional studio lighting, and high-fidelity output that's ready for any campaign. SceneOrbit turns one photo into a cinematic commercial. With one uploaded photo, SceneOrbit can generate multiple creative looks and visual styles in seconds. With SceneOrbit's 360 orbit motion, a single uploaded image becomes a cinematic rotating product shot. This creates a premium commercial look with dramatic lighting, smooth camera movement, and professional studio-style presentation in just a few seconds. SceneOrbit's 360 orbit motion transforms one image into a cinematic rotating product shot with smooth professional camera movement. SceneOrbit's text-to-video engine is incredibly stable. Just type your idea, and it creates smooth cinematic animations, glowing dashboards, animated charts, and professional motion graphics in seconds. SceneOrbit turns prompts into animated AI dashboards. Combined with integrated AI audio generation, you can build entire sequences without ever needing external stock files.
SceneOrbit's marketing templates help creators maintain a consistent brand across every platform. Use code all-in-one30 for 30% off. Start creating today.
Create optimized social media posts, banners, and video shorts with SceneOrbit. Fine-tune every AI scene with SceneOrbit's built-in editor. For creators who need both speed and quality, SceneOrbit delivers impressive cinematic results while keeping the entire workflow simple and easy to manage. SceneOrbit delivers lightning-fast rendering and impressive AI quality for professional video production. These generated examples show the impressive detail, smooth motion, and professional quality results that SceneOrbit can create in seconds. SceneOrbit's Video Studio takes you from a single idea to a fully edited video, with scripts, AI shots, voiceovers, and timeline preview in one workflow. SceneOrbit starts with a simple idea, then turns it into a complete video plan.
From the script to AI-generated scenes, motion, and voiceover, everything comes together automatically.
And this is the final result, a professional-looking video created from one idea. Check it out.
What if one AI platform could take a simple idea and turn it into a cinematic YouTube video with motion graphics, voiceovers, marketing templates, studio editing, timeline previews, and a professional final export? Today, we're exploring SceneOrbit AI and discovering how creators can build high-quality content faster than ever before. The process begins with AI-powered video generation, where a single prompt can instantly become a fully planned visual sequence. Next, motion effects and cinematic camera movements bring static scenes to life with smooth, professional animation. This is where SceneOrbit starts to stand out, combining automation with creative control in a surprisingly intuitive workflow. Voiceovers can be generated directly inside the platform, making it easy to add narration without leaving the editor. Marketing templates are another highlight, helping creators produce banners, social posts, and promotional assets that stay visually consistent across every platform. Editing in the studio feels fast and organized, with scene-by-scene controls that make refining a project simple and efficient. Instead of juggling multiple apps, SceneOrbit keeps scripting, visuals, motion, and audio connected in one streamlined workspace. The timeline preview gives a clear view of pacing and transitions, allowing creators to polish the entire story before exporting. Rendering is impressively smooth, and the final output looks polished enough for professional YouTube content, presentations, or client projects. What makes the workflow truly impressive is how planning, visuals, animation, voiceovers, and editing all work together inside a single interface. Every scene can be adjusted, regenerated, or refined, giving creators the flexibility to improve quality without rebuilding the entire project. By the end of the process, SceneOrbit feels less like a collection of tools and more like a complete AI-powered production studio. If you're looking for a faster way to create cinematic videos with AI, SceneOrbit AI might be the creative shortcut that changes your entire production workflow. The rest is up to you.
Want to try SceneOrbit AI for yourself? Use code ALLIN130 for 30% off. Tap to copy the code and start creating. If you liked this video and felt it useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you.